back to my channel. So rolling into exotics, I've got this beautiful 997.2 Turbo S in front of me in Guards Red, the Vroom plate, nice owner, nice car. I brought the GT2 because it's pretty much my only car that'll get into exotics that runs right now, so that's the way it is this season. We're by the Microsoft Studios right now, but yep, you will be able to see it in a second when I move forward. There is a Porsche 919 race car that is living in there, kind of on, I guess, permanent display, which is always fun to see. So I'm pretty sure you won't see it well, but it's in there. So there is a 919. I think it's a, you know, bare car, no drivetrain, but display purposes only kind of thing. But yeah, today weather's good. Not gonna be a heavy day at the show, I don't think. It is a normal day, not a themed day. But we're here to have some fun, see some Porsches, and obviously a lot of other fun cars. Look forward to showing you more. Thanks for watching.